Good morning, Staley. Today is Monday, September 27th, day A in your schedule. I'm Raymond Tiller.
And I'm Mike Huey. Today, birthday wishes go to Aiden Kuehler, Chelsea Meyer, Santiana Muschietti, Eliana Rhodes, Kyle Smith. Happy birthday, everyone.
The Honorable Mr. Tapp would like us to announce that Scholar Bowl practice begins October 4th. Practice will be after school in CR 266. Please speak to Mr. Tapp for more information. Everyone is welcome.
Attention seniors, Jostens will be in the Great Hall Wednesday, September 29th during all lunches to take graduation orders. Please be sure to bring your $60 USD deposit at this time. Extra order packets are located in the main office.
Attention sophomores, next Tuesday, October 5th is the PSAT. This exam is for all sophomores. Next Tuesday, please report to the gym at the start of school. Bring a calculator and plenty of pencils. Make sure to check your email for more information.
Looking for updates about the construction in Staley High School? Here's Jack and Jacob with more.
Staley saw a lot of construction over the summer,
so we decided to show you what's new.
On the outside of the school, they're adding outdoor classrooms with an organic-shaped stairwell responding to the pond.
On the inside, new, bigger science rooms are getting put in.
And on the second floor, new desks, small classrooms, and learning areas have been put in for the new business pathways.
Below that, new day lockers and additional seating for lunch have been put in.
On the other side of the school, the athletics department is seeing big changes as well.
It's going to be a big weight room and a little bit bigger than the space that we have now. And it'll be a straight square, so there won't be any nooks and crannies in a weight room. It'll be just a straight square. It's going to have really nice up-to-date racks. So all the equipment's going to be nice and new. It's going to have our Staley emblem on it. It's really going to be one of the best high school weight rooms that you'll see around.
But what will happen to the old weight room?
It's going to turn into a women's wrestling room, which they desperately need. So this is a good thing with the numbers that are growing in that sport. For them to be able to have their own space, it'll be really nice for them. Anytime you can get in there and have a great big space and just create a great atmosphere, and with the addition of the third gym and a little bit of a turf area, I just think we can take things to another level, and we got plenty of space for athletes.
Signing out for STTV, this is Jake.
And Jake.
Want to learn how to make your own clothing patches? Here's Keith with more.
Want to learn how to make your own patches? Well, that's convenient, because I'm gonna teach you how to make your own patches. Get some fabric, cut it out. You're going to want to tape down the fabric so that it doesn't move around while you're trying to paint it. Paint whatever design you want on it. I recommend starting with white as a base, and especially if you have a dark fabric, because just going straight over with the paint, that might not work out well. There are other methods. You can hand embroider it. I'll show you something that I've hand embroidered. Tried to. It did not turn out well. If you have an embroidery machine, you can do that too. It is an option if you're good at embroidery. Good for you, go crazy. Once you have your base, you add your color and clean it up, make sure it looks nice. There you have it. You can add Mod Podge or whatever other sealant you have. You can add that over to make sure the design doesn't crack, especially if you're using acrylic paint without a fabric medium in it, which I don't use fabric medium. Cut it out, sew it on something. I have a ton of these that I've cut out. I've sewn them onto jackets, backpacks, and I make all those patches myself. So it's really simple, just as long as you like it. Have fun, go crazy. Signing off for STTV, this is Keith.
Well, that's all we have for you today, Staley. Be sure to check us out on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and visit us online at StaleyNews.com. Also, check out our YouTube channel for daily shows and more.
Have a most magnificently monstrous Monday.
Woo!